What's poppin' and cracking, y'all? Hope you guys are having a great day today. We're back again. Today is Friday.
Nope.
I think if this video goes up when I am scheduling it to. Anyway, today we're doing a tutorial about how to stabilize your footage in Davinci Resolve 16, not 15, 16. So if you guys were, real jittery or whatever, we're going to be talking about how to solve that in this video, so stick to the end because I'm trying to get my my watch time up. So please help me out with that. Anyway, let's just do a new project. We're just going to go test 4 because I already have a whole bunch of tests from other tutorials because I low-key have been doing a lot of tutorials this week. Anyway, let's go ahead and import some footage here. I have some footage on a USB drive, and let's just drag. I had right there. Let's just drag that sucker on in. There we go. Change and drag this onto the timeline. Now you may be wondering, like, how are we supposed to stabilize that, And my answer to that is we're just gonna want to go to the edit tab, and you're just going to click on that, and then you're just want to go. Where is it? I think it's it's inspector, and then you're just gonna want to go stabilization. And look at this button. It says stabilize. Whoa. Wow. And anyway, you can do it like a camera look or like if you want to. I think I'll do a camera look. So you're just gonna press stabilize, and since this is a pretty short clip, it's gonna go pretty fast, and hopefully it looks pretty good. And then so it's obviously super easy. And if you have what happened there? Maybe use the camera look. Let's try taking it off the camera look and similarity maybe. So yeah, you honestly just gotta mess around with the settings so make it look the way you want. And then maybe if this doesn't work out, we'll try zoom. But so much better. Oh yeah, that actually looks a lot smoother, honestly. I'll export this and show you guys. Or actually, I don't even have to export, but I'll show you guys the differences between the before the clip, or before I'd stabilized it and after I'd stabilized it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something, I'm very glad. I'm keeping this video pretty short. So if you guys learned something and enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You guys have no idea how much it helps. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe it might be a tutorial. If you guys want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, then comment down below what you guys want to learn next. And because I'm really enjoying these tutorials. It's super easy to edit, super easy to throw up, and I'm really been having fun, hopefully helping you guys learn more about Davinci Resolve and how to do some cool things. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll have a face camera or something. But peace.